You might think Asun rice is an upgraded version of concoction rice, but that's a lie. Hello, sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Asun rice without stress. In order not to waste your time, let's get right into it. These are the most important ingredients you need to make your Asun rice: your coconut milk, your bay leaves, your ginger and garlic powder, your rice, I'm using basmati, and your asun, that's your goat meat, your crayfish, grated pepper, seasoning cube, salt, maggi, and oil. Then these are the ingredients you need to make it. In the pot, time for us to boil our asun, that's your diced goat meat. Then I will always advise you to add your bay leaf and also to boil your asun with coconut milk. This way you are elevating the taste. After that, you're going to add your onion and also your grated pepper, a little bit of salt to this, and also seasoning cube. Then this is ginger and garlic powder. And after that, we're just going to mix together. Make sure it's properly combined together. Then we're just going to cover it and allow it to boil until it is fully cooked. After 25 minutes on a medium heat, our goat meat is ready. So bring out your tray, that's your baking tray. Then I'm just going to add my goat meat on it and then put it in the oven. So this is how it looks like. So we're just going to put this in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. Mind you, it has to be on both sides. After that, this is how it looks like. Like this is how it looks like. So time for us to make our rice. So we're just going to put our water in the pot and then add a little bit of salt to it. And then we're just going to cover it and allow it to bring to a boil before we go in with our washed rice. We're just going to cover it and allow it to boil until it is all plenty. Make sure there is no moisture in your rice, and this is how it looks like. Allow this to boil for just 15 to 18 minutes because this basmati rice takes 25 minutes to get cooked. So allow it to get boiled for just between 15 to 18 minutes. So in a pot, we're just going to add our oil, and then we're just going to add our onion. We're just going to saute our onion for a while, and then we're just going to add in our grated pepper, then mix together. Then after that, our seasoning cube, mix again, then crayfish, and after that we're just going to add our roasted goat meat, that's our asun. Then we're just going to mix together. After mixing our asun, we're just going to allow it to steam for about 3 minutes on a low heat. Then we'll add in our rice. Then we're just going to mix together until it is properly combined together. As you can see, our rice is properly combined together. So I'm just going to add more rice to it and mix again. While we're doing this, make sure your fire is on a low heat. Like make sure it is on the lowest. So after mixing together, we're just going to add our stock, that we used to boil our goat's meat earlier. We're just going to add it to it. This is one of the most important and secret ingredients that a lot of people don't know. So we're just going to cover it together and allow it to steam for 5 minutes on a low heat. Then after that, we're just going to mix together. And at this stage, our rice is ready. Time for us to serve. This is what our rice looks like, and you might think it's ordinary because I didn't want to garnish it with any vegetables, but feel free if you want to do the same. So this is what our rice looks like. And so tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. So, bye.